Now this is a sump pump Croc setup. Now this is a Zoeller 1/3 horsepower pump. 1/3 Zoeller will pump out 44 gallons per minute. Been using Zoeller pumps for 30 years now. I have never had to replace one. This is a hydro pressure pump. That work off your water pressure. You can see the Zoeller and the hydro pressure pump. This is going to be the water line. These are PEX piping, and this will be the water line that's going in. This here is a seal, goes around the top. This is a pressure valve. When the backup pumps go on, water flows. This is spring loaded. When the water stops, it slams shut, so no bacteria can backflow into the drinking water. This is a shut-off valve. Any problem with the pumps, you just shut the water off right here. Water line comes down, it goes into this hydro pressure pump. Down below you have your Zoeller pump. This is a rubber seal, so when the lid is put back, bolted down, it's sealed. The water pressure is 80 pounds. The hose is turned on full blast. Right now I'm holding the float down to the hydro pressure pump so it does not come on. My water pressure is still on, and when I release the hydro pressure pump, listen to how quiet it is. Can't even hear it. This is it going off. So the water is dropping. I'm still on full pressure here because the hydro pump is pumping it out. Oh, how we do love this modern technology. Okay?